I am a thrifting veteran, and let me tell you the ins and outs of thrifting or charity shopping. Why should you believe me? Because I used to work in a thrift store, guys. I know my shit. The proof is in the pudding. Here's how to go thrifting as a broke fashionista. Rule number 1. Go on a Saturday around 11 a.m. I know that they usually have sales on a Saturday because they know that a lot of people are going to be coming in, right? And they're going to be making more money if there's a sale. If everything's £5 and you're buying like 10 things, you know, it adds up. Let's break it down. Where are the clothes in the charity shops coming from? They're coming from other people, right? Whenever there's someone that's coming into the store donating their clothes, when do they have time? On a weekend, you know? Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And that's usually when a lot of clothes come in. I know because I used to be the person that people would bring the clothes to. If you've woken up at 1 p.m. and you're thinking, let me go to a thrift shop, just forget about it. Just go next week. Rule number 2, do not skip the bric-a-brac section. That section in the back that no one's really at, go there, guys, go there. You can get so many things for your house on that. I literally, guys, I got this for, I think it was £8 at the back. Guys, this is massive. I don't know if you can see, but this is literally massive. Also got my first ever sewing machine at the thrift shop. This was when I was working there, so I had a little bit of a discount, but still, like, it was very cheap. It was under £40. And look at where I am now. Like, I make clothes all the time. I make these, you know. Rule number 3, make sure you have time. Don't go there thinking, yeah, I'm gonna spend 10 minutes. No. Go there when you have time, guys, because when I tell you, you have to look through every item. Don't be skimming through. No, that's not what we're doing. You have to look at the front and the back and the side, and you're skimming through something and you're like, oh, that shirt is a bit like plain, it's just white, and then you look at it and it's got like this amazing kind of like gold lace on it or something like that. Genuinely look through every item, guys. So rule number 4, this one genuinely is going to save you money, guys. Whenever you're going to buy an item, picture an outfit with this item. If you cannot picture you wearing this item, or if you can't picture an outfit with this item, I would say leave it. If you can't wear that outfit or you can't think of one, go ahead and put that back on the shelf for me, okay? Rule number 5, sometimes thrifting accessories is more important than thrifting clothes. Everyone has a pair of jeans at home. You can buy jeans anywhere. Can you buy that sparkly silver belt anywhere? No. Do you know what I mean? Most of the time, the accessories are better than the clothes, and that's where you should really be looking. Like the necklaces, especially necklaces and bracelets. Rule number 6, the best charity shops are in the small parts of town. So if someone says to you, yeah, let's go to Stratford and just look at the thrift shops, no hate, it's not really gonna be as good as going to like, you live in like a smaller town inside of your borough. Do you know what I mean? For everyone that lives in the UK, my favorite charity shop is Sue Ryder. I got this fur bag for £1. Rule number 7, if you volunteer at a charity shop, you get first dibs. So you can get basically everything. You basically see everything that comes in. So you can literally be like, yeah, that's mine. Also, guys, charity shops, usually the good ones don't look bougie. So if you're going to a charity shop and you're like, I love the decor in here, the vibes are going to be cool, but I'm telling you, the prices are not. Don't say I didn't put you on, guys.